Hi everyone, welcome to this week's vlog. So I was going to show you a room tour of Henry's new Star Wars room. And I've just been told by Henry, the boy himself, that no, it's not going to happen this week. I was like, why? Don't you want everyone to see your lovely new Star Wars room? He said, not this week. This week, Mum, I'm going to talk about Nerf guns. So apparently, me and Alex have been completely sacked this week from the vlogs, and we are sacked and Henry is taking over. So I hope you guys enjoy Henry, aka Henners. This is his vlog. Bit of target practice.
Hi guys, I'm Henry, but you can call me Henners, and I've been collecting Nerf Guns over 3 years now. And look how many guns I have. Yeah, so firstly I'm going to show you this one. So this one, what's the cool thing about it is, you can go like this.
Make it a good one, Henners.
I will.
What do you think to that?
Thank you, my work's done here. One more gun. So I got this gun, this is so cool. And it has 6 bullets. I think this shoots lasers as well. And you're gone. So look at this one, the Mega. The Mega. Look at that. This one in here. And this one in here. And this one in here. And then what you do is you want to shoot straight away, you press that and then just fire. And this one is so cool because look at this. Hold on. And look at this. So we got one like this. It has 6 bullets in. You pull that back and then this is so good. Look at that one. Look at that. And if you want protection, you just wear this. And it's good to go on. And this one is so cool. Because it has some really different bullets. Oh, here it is. This one is also so cool. Look at that. Look at that jacket. Look at that jacket. So, if you're wondering why these all here, those are meant to go in there. Let me just do this up. And then if you're wondering what this bit is, it has a bit of things on. Put like some bullets in here. But firstly we need to load this one up. There might be one missing. And then the last 2 I got to show you is these. They're Fortnite. So I got some bullets. So if my guns run out, I can load it, and in case I lose one in battle, got another gun right there. So I think I'm good to go. What we're gonna do is we're gonna go downstairs and have a Nerf fight with my mum and dad. Go on, let's go. So this is my bit. And this is my mum and dad's. This is my dad's bit. And this is my mum's bit. Yeah. Okay? So, let's go.
I'm really excited.
I'm going to be you.
No, remember we're going to be on the same team. So the plan is we haven't told Daddy yet, have we?
Look at my bird.
Me and Henry are actually going to gang up on Daddy, aren't we?
Yeah.
So, have you got any hints and tips for me? Because I think I am good at this, but I think you're the best. So, what do you think? Anything I should know?
So, you need to know, if Daddy tries to shoot us, we need to hide.
Okay.
So, like, if he has a clear shot of us, when he shoots it, we go behind something. So he shoots, like, I don't know.
What if I decide to turn on you and I decide to get you as well and I'm not on my own? Because you said about teaming up together. Shall we shoot each other?
Yeah. I'm gonna get you when you're getting Daddy. So when you're getting
I'm a little bit excited.
When you're getting Daddy that way, I'm gonna come round here and shoot you.
Are you now?
Yeah.
Interesting.
Yeah, I'm gonna shoot her.
Bring it on.
You bring it on. Yeah. I'm gonna win, guys. You obviously know that, don't you? Don't you? You obviously know that.
Ready? Let's go. Let's go. Henners. Henners, over to you. It's your vlog.
Thanks for watching and subscribe. See what do you want me to do next in the comments below. See you, bye.